What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today is a very special day. It is Elston's birthday. So what better way to celebrate his birthday than to get him a surprise, or surprise him with something. So I'm going to surprise him with a gift. So on here, there's a note here. It says, "Mommy, I bought a phone for Elston." Hopefully he doesn't find out, but the plan is to make sure that he doesn't get to know, or he doesn't get to find out what the surprise is. So my goal, or my plan is, Lily or Mommy's gonna ask him, "Hey Elston, go get me my phone." So he's gonna come look in the room, right? If he can't find it, he's probably gonna come in the bathroom, and then he's gonna see this note. So hopefully we'll get a good reaction out of this. Hopefully, you know, it'll be something that will make him happy. But you guys stay tuned. I'll see you guys soon.
Little rabbits. Your earring and your ring. Earring and your ring. That cheating little person.
Get up, Mars. Because I want you guys to be in the frame.
I'll act like we love each other on camera.
Alright, so I'm gonna make it quick. Because I'm gonna make it quick. Hold up. I want to call you guys because I just want to say thank you guys, and we want to wish Elston, as a family, together as a family, just wish him happy birthday. Anyway, so I called you guys because I want you guys to just join in and wish this little boy on this special day. We're grateful that he is still alive, and we're thankful for you, Elston. I want to wish you, on behalf of Mommy and the rest of the family, and Mars and Marlson, we want to wish you happy birthday. I hope you had a good time just hanging out with your friends. We did not celebrate your birthday with the rest of our family because we are also having Father's Day this coming weekend, so everyone will get to celebrate your birthday along with all the fathers. All right, so today just a small food. Thank you guys for barbecuing. Thank you for burning the chicken. You guys are doing pretty good. Nelson is not too happy about it because he lost the game to Mars on the court. We'll probably make it up. So, not to. Yep. Yeah, don't ever do that again, man. Anyway, so we're gonna head out so we can cut the cake. But I just have a small gift for you, Elston. From me and Mommy, and from the M3E. I do apologize if it's not your birthday today. You don't get to get anything, but it's okay. Well, Mars, when is your birthday? 15. Oh my goodness, it's just like a month away. And what about you, Marlson?
November.
I apologize in advance. November. So you still have you have a few months down. But anyway, let's get to what we're supposed to be doing. Elston, I have a small gift for you. So, as a token of our appreciation.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't.
From the M3E, happy birthday. Marlson, What did you say? Did you say you have a, you wanna what? Can you open it? Get over there. I want you to open it with Marlon so he can celebrate with you.
Celebrate?
What? All right. Oh. What is it?
What is that?
What is that? What is that? What is that?
Wait.
It's an iPhone.
Ooh! Congratulations! Happy birthday to you, Elston. Marlon. I mean Elston. Sorry, Marlon. I don't know why. I don't know why I keep saying your name, Marlon.
No way.
Can you just can you just have him at least let him hold it for maybe 5 seconds? Yeah. Okay. You can give it back. Hey, I know. I feel bad for you, Marlon. Here, I'll just give you mine for now. You can use it for tonight. Here. Come on. It's
phone?
well, you can use it for tonight. I need it by 9 though. It's 8:38 right now, so unfortunately I need it in about 20 minutes. Yeah? All right. You guys wanna Mars, you wanna say something to Elston?
Happy birthday.
Okay. Okay, what about you, Marlon?
Happy birthday.
Okay. Yeah, you don't sound too happy about your
I'm happy. Woohoo.
okay. All right, mommy. I'm not gonna show mommy, but
It's not good to have an iPhone, Marlon.
okay. Mommy, do you have anything? Hurry up, cause we want to cut the cake. But
Well, then you can use mine then.
okay.
That's why I just took it from the
No way. No way.
Oh, I didn't see this one.
What?
Wait. This is mine?
No, it's, what?
This is mine?
Just rent it.
Alright. This is my phone?
What is that?
This is an iPhone.
Okay. All right. Well.
Hurry up, I'm hungry.
Okay. All right.
Wait. This is mine?
That's for mom. I'm kidding. It's yours. That's yours. Okay.
That's yours?
Yes.
Oh.
All right.
I've been waiting 6 months for this. Oh.
Okay. All right. Well, I hope you guys are enjoying your gifts from mommy and daddy and Mars. Mars, you already have an iPhone, so and plus you used up all the M3's money for your tuition. All right. We'll set up your phone, but we'll go get some cake right now. Okay? You guys have anything to say? Huh?
Thank you for the presents.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Portion, you're not home. So I'm gonna leave the game.
Sabi ng pera na
Don't breathe on it.
Thank you.
Okay, you guys hurry up. Okay, so it doesn't. Okay. Can you help me with that?
Where? It's melting. Here, I got it. I got you, girl. I knew that.
Janice, you win?
Hey, where's Janice? And Jermaine?
Family.
Jimmy's sleeping. They both are sleeping.
Are you serious?
Yes. Yes, I am.
Help. Elston, help. Because it's melting.
The where's it like?
Okay, that's enough. Because it's melting.
Okay, ready?
Because it's melting. Okay, let's go. Hurry up.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Elston.
Boy.
Happy birthday to you. Whoa.
Make it a wish. And that wish is probably
Good job.
me.
I don't like the purple.
You want the red one, huh?
I want the homemade one.
Gummies, kitty.
Oh, is that homemade?
Yeah, I made it.
Oh, really? Are you serious or what?
I didn't make it.
Oh,
This is too good.
that's from the store?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like homemade.
No, I made this one.
I like the homemade.
I made this, puppy.
Huh? Oh,
I
you
made
did?
this.
Oh, you
I
did?
made,
Yeah,
I made this.
made in KFC.
Oh,
We made cake at KFC too.
let's see.
So it's just like chicken.
It's a mix of mashed potato and chicken, mac and cheese. If you have had the
Which kind
KFC
you guys
cake,
want?
you should try this. Oh, can you get some more?
So I don't know if you guys eat the Korean food, right? You guys eat fish cake?
Hey, yes.
I like fish cake because it's
I like
this is fish and cake.
Fish cake is
Fish
my
cake.
favorite.
That's the carrot.
Oh,
Carrot? Oh, okay. Oh, no, I want the homemade.
All of them?
Dude,
No,
all of them are
I
homemade.
think I'll just have the velvety one.
can I?
Here's your cake.
Oh, gracias.
Yummy. Look.
Oh, yep. That's
Can
good.
Can I have it? Yeah.
That's good.
What that? Which one do you want? Elston? This one? Here,
Where?
here.
So for the cake, the cake. What is up? Get it.
I
Mmm.
want this and red velvet clear.
Mira the oven.
Here gives.
Vilken kör du skruget?
You're done.
Oh.
We did it.
Oh, okay. Wait. Let me see that.
This is Everett.
This is what's that? Delight? Delight Bakery? Delight Bakery. Alright, let's close out the video. Hey, we wanna thank you guys for just tuning in and just watch our little vlog today. I wanna just take this time to wish Elston once again happy birthday, and we're grateful for God, or we're grateful and we're blessed and thankful for God's blessing upon our family, and also especially to Elston's for just adding more years to his life, or adding another year to his life. And so, Elston, did you want to say something before we close out the video?
I just want to thank God for giving me another year of life, and I want to thank my cousins for coming over and my aunts.
Yeah, go ahead.
And I want to thank the people that subscribe to our channel and that watch all our videos, and that's it.
What about you, Nelson?
I just wanna thank God for blessing Elston with another year, and I want to say happy birthday to Elston. And yeah, that's
Okay.
it.
So now we have to work hard because Mommy and Daddy don't have any more money. Because we just paid for your phone. Alright, y'all. Alright, thank you guys. Hope you guys have a wonderful evening or have a good night. Alright.
Peace.